Happy Friday, friends, and welcome to another video. So in today's video, I decided to take you guys along with me while I do a little mini refresh of my home. I wanted to clean out my guest bathroom. It was overdue for a good scrub. It's been a while since I've been able to get into there. As well as like my entryway and my upstairs hallway, just because those tend to be the areas where like a lot of mess tends to gather and accumulate. So I wanted to do a little bit of a deep dive there and get those cleaned up. So pick up your cleaning supplies and work alongside me while I kind of tackle the mess that is my house. I don't know if you guys are anything like me, but I am definitely a cleaning supply junkie. Like there's never enough chemicals. I need all the sprays, all the powders, everything. Like I'm trying to create my own little bomb in here, right? I need all the cleaning supplies to feel like my house is clean.
Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's truly. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, your love is one in a million. It goes on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. It's not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear.
And really quick before we get too far, if it's your first time seeing one of my videos, then hello, my name is Jasmine. Happy that you're here. If you have seen my videos before, seen my face before, then thank you so much for coming back. I appreciate y'all. On this channel, I post a lot of content. Pretty much however I'm feeling that day determines like the kind of content that I post. But typically anywhere from finance to home videos, like lifestyle videos, home renovation videos. And most recently I started highlighting the behind the scenes of me running my own small business. And I'm curious how you guys have been liking those videos if you've seen them. Let me know down in the comments below. But yes, if it's your first time here, then get into the vibe. There's a lot going on this channel, but it's a good time.
I want you around, come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is an visions of we play.
So here's the thing, y'all. When you're cleaning your bathroom, specifically your toilet, you gotta get down there and get behind the back of that toilet. Like, you gotta wash back there, like you gotta scrub back there, and you need to sweep back there. A lot of people skip that, but it's a pet peeve of mine. Get down there, get behind that toilet, and also use all the cleaning supplies. Use them all. I don't make the rules.
It's not that I want you to hear. Yeah. It's not the way you say it to my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up bitches on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show. Know I feel like you. You is your way. You don't really want to. I just wanna get away. It's still right next to you. You. I wanna kiss you. Yeah.
Okay, moving right along. We're in the entryway upstairs, like right outside that bathroom we were just in. And yeah, I just needed to do some dusting, get up, some of the junk that was out there, like some of the trash that just gets accumulated. I don't know who does it, the dust fairy, the dust mites, whoever. Clean that up, and I really wanted to vacuum here because it had been a while since I vacuumed, specifically in this entryway, so get that dog out the way and get to vacuuming.
Come through every need you here. I swear I keep this feeling to myself. Now you're the one thinking of my higher ground, my rocket now. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. Can't get away. On trees, beach views, and every day. All I wanna do is end up bitches on replay. Still right next to you. You do. Try not to show.
Also, this vacuum, why I do that to Pablo? This vacuum was a gift, and it is my new obsession. Like, it is the best vacuum I've ever had. It makes cleaning up after these dogs so easy. I love this vacuum. So right now, I'm just hitting those baseboards. You gotta hit those baseboards and those, those crevices at the bottom in the corners. I also, because this vacuum is amazing and it has like a little extension, I also go back around and kind of hit those air vents. I dust them as well, but the vacuum just sucks everything up, so it's perfect. Okay, so time to refill that plug-in. Listen, I stay strapped with the plug-ins, okay? I have 3 dogs in my house. I do not play around with odors. I stay strapped with the air freshener.
Then dip me underway. Fill my foot, flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe. And wash me over until my will runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby. Right up to the side of my mountain until
y'all know that some people don't know like how to sweep stairs? Like some people have never been introduced to the concept of sweeping stairs. What is that? Like, I don't know. Is sweeping stairs just a southern thing? Because when I was growing up, like my mama always had us sweeping the stairs, and like when I moved in with my boyfriend, I told him to sweep the stairs. He was like, "Huh?" So I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. Have you ever like swept stairs? Were you raised on sweeping the stairs? Because we sweep those stairs, push all that dirt down to the bottom, and then vacuum it up. If you think I get all my cleaning done in one day, you are sadly mistaken. I can't do it. I cannot consecutively clean like my whole house for like one entire day, like the whole day. Can't do it. So this is the next day, and I just decided to, get a couple rounds in downstairs in the entryway. Okay, so if you made it this far into the video, then go ahead and click the subscribe button if you have not already subscribed. You guys, at this point, we go together, okay? So let's just make it official. Click the red subscribe button, join the fam. I hope you guys have enjoyed like this cleaning session. The house is looking much better. Even just the entryway looks so much better than when we first started. I love having a clean entryway because I love walking into like a nice, clean, good smelling house. And this is the first thing that you see when you walk into my house. So yes, I want to go ahead and sign off this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, for being here, for clicking on my videos. I appreciate it so much. And I hope this video gave you motivation to get up and clean your house should you need to, or at least tidy things up. Because cleanliness is next to godliness. And that's easier said than put into practice. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.
Just to say how much you mean to me. What would you do if I told you you were beautiful? Would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you.